Scottsdale Kempo Club. We're working on some yellow belt skills and drills. The section 1, the individual drills in the footwork sections, half mooning is one of the skills. Now, if you trained with us in the past, you have done plenty of half mooning. We just do it slightly differently now, and we want you to get connected with the new way. If you're new and you never heard of half mooning, then this will help you a lot. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start in our half moon stance. Okay, kind of where the name came from originally was moving from one half moon stance into another half moon stance. Simple as that. We pull one foot in and have the other foot out, but it would go in a nice fluid fashion. 1, 2, 1, 2. We do really the same thing. We just really want to emphasize the motion. When we move in, the foot's just slightly off the floor. I'm not dragging it. That's not a half moon. That's not how we want you to train. We want you to move that foot by putting all the weight on one leg, drawing that foot in. It's just barely above the floor, maybe a half an inch off the floor, and then I move out to another half moon stance. So I can use the same leg and go in and back, in and back. And I want you to feel there's a little pause there as the feet come close together where I can decide to pop up and kick if I want. Why? Because all the weight is 100% balanced. We've shifted the weight in comfortably and then back. We might move in and then go back. I might not half moon all the way forward. When I start using application of this in my sparring, I might move part way and decide to bail on that. I might start a half moon and decide I want to complete it by moving an A step because I want to retreat out to the other direction. I might, instead of half mooning all the way forward or all the way backwards, I might halfway stop and tap and go into a shuffle, excuse me. Okay, so that's the half mooning. As you do multiples in a row, it should look something like this. 1, and right as this foot plants, I'm going to uproot the next one. 2, 3, 4, and you should notice there's a lateral motion to this. It's taking me from side to side. It doesn't have to be a real aggressive push in the beginning. Okay? If you're building up ankle strength, knee strength, balance, nice and smooth. Okay, later, you can get to have a more aggressive push. Push, push, push. But you want to make sure you have a great solid base to half moon with. Hips, knees, ankles should be solid, strong, and rooted so you can do this safely. Okay? See you in class.